Hi guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look into the charts. And some news first. ADA got listed on Coinbase. And that is quite bullish for ADA itself. We'll take a look at the chart later on. First, we'll take a look, like always, at the S&P 500, the Dixie, the US dollar currency index, and of course the Nasdaq top 100. Bitcoin is correlating quite a lot with the Nasdaq looking good today. S&P 500 near all-time highs. Dixie bouncing a little bit. On the weekly, we want to see the dollar back below this trend line over here. Very high time frame. We're at the weekly. Up until now, the weekly doesn't look that bad for a dollar. Nasdaq, like I said, the S&P 500, like I said, looking very good, all-time highs. This is what I'm seeing for Bitcoin. We have a low over here. We have a low over here. And we have a higher low over here. This low was higher as well. And now we just set a higher low again. So if you're trading this, I would advise you to place your stops over here or wait for a 4-hour close below here to exit your longs. I am long. I'm trading this to the upside. Very much something you need to keep an eye on. Last night we broke this trend line, I would say, and went further down. This trend line is what we want to break. Looking good. We can see the funding's totally reset, meaning we have a lot of shorts to push to the upside. Here's the long and short ratio of the last 24 hours. A lot of longs, I would say, if you look at all the derivatives exchanges. Fundings, let's refresh it a little bit. Bybit is the current one, a little bit up, but everything is flat again, meaning we have room to go back up again. Higher time frame, are we interested in that? Not sure. Let us take a look. This is what I'm looking at. This line and this line. When we broke this all-time high, my target was over here. But when are we in trouble? Well, I would say if we go below this line, we are really in trouble. This horizontal, really would bring us in trouble if we break that. Let's zoom in a little bit. Do we see something else? Can we draw a trend line already from... Yeah, and this one broke, of course, earlier. That one got broken. And now we have this one to break. And this one as support over here as well, I would say. So we're consolidating within these lines. We can remove this one now. So this is what I am seeing. Break either of these lows over here and we're going back down. I would say this one, these two. Those are the ones we need to hold. And we just want to make higher highs. So we want to make a high higher than this one over here. And this one. So that is it for Bitcoin. On the daily at Ethereum, chart is somewhat similar, I would say. Both, of course, if Bitcoin dumps, everything dumps. The mother coin. This is what I'm seeing for Ethereum on the daily. Very high time frame, but I would say on the daily, Ethereum is not looking that bad. Let's compare it to... It doesn't differ that much. This is basically what we want for the Ethereum. This is a level, very important level, as we can see over here. 1720 is what it needs to hold. And we just need to make higher highs. I would say this is resistance at the moment on the daily, and that's around 1880. Take a look at NEO. Did some things, so let's take a look. We're on the daily, high time frame. High time frames is what I like for altcoins, shitcoins, whatever you like to call them. This is what I'm seeing. Do we have supports? Yeah, I would say this low over here. We have resistances, yeah, I would say this low over there. This is basically what we're in between, and this trend line playing quite the role over here. The purple trend line, of course. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing for. I mean, it's not looking that bad. They set their low, front ran the retest a little bit over here. It's looking good. It's looking good. Very dependent on Bitcoin. I wouldn't long it here, but it's looking good. There are probably coins that look better. Sushi. Sushi getting a little bit close to this trend line over here. Broke it really. Not sure if you would hold it through this one. I think they will go back to this one over here. $15. So yeah, I would get out of Sushi over here. Would you guys like to have some background music in my videos? Let me know in the comments. Would it make it easier to, like, less hard to listen to my Dutch accent? CRV, not looking too bad over here actually. Looking kind of good. We'll probably break out rather soon. Looking very good here on the daily. If you want to trade it, you know, like, yeah, I think I would buy some over here. Daily big engulfing as well. Looking very, very good over here. I would definitely trade it. Target over here. You can set higher targets, of course. We're in the bull market. I believe, at least still. But yeah, this is first target, second target. CRV looking good. ADA, like I said, got added to Coinbase, which is very bullish. Very, very bullish. Had an obvious break over here as well. I mean, combined with the technical analysis over here, looks good. They were making a perfect bull wedge, flag, whatever you want to call it. And they broke up out of it. They're up quite a lot already, so not sure if you want to enter over here, but it is looking good over here. And obviously, you know, TA lined up and the news lined up with it. Bitcoin, yeah, like I said, I'm targeting longs. Stop over here below, yeah, what is it? 54.5K. That is where I have messed up, or where I limit out of the position if you break it. I never really use stops or try not to use them. And that's about it for today. So yeah, bullish on Bitcoin, stops over here, and long confirmation if you make a higher high over here. So that's, let's say, 56K. Above that, I will long more aggressively. And we need to keep an eye on the fundings and premiums over here. Right now, they just disappeared again, which is good, which is something we want to see. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know, would you like background music in my videos? And if so, what kind of music would you like? So see you guys again tomorrow, and happy trading.